You will see on screen Facebook, then only you start. Otherwise, you apna Priyanka. Babita.
We are live. We can start. Babita ma'am, over to you.
We are live.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. A very, very warm welcome to all of you from Forum for Autism. We are here with yet another event celebrating World Autism Awareness Month for this year. And a very warm welcome to all the children and all the parents who have joined in so enthusiastically this Sunday morning. And there is so much talent to see. There's so much that the children are ready and just waiting to go. So without wasting much time, I'll hand over to my co-host Girija, who will start off the first round of introductions. Girija?
Thank you so much, Babita. First up, we have Rudra Tendulkar, all of 12 years old. Hi, Rudra. What will you be doing for us today? Yes. Hi, Rudra. How are you?
Today.
So, what are you doing today? Can you hear me?
Yeah, actually he's talking.
Wait, वो तुम्हारा नहीं है. There is some other Rudra. Okay, we will start with that. He is doing cutting. Unmute नको करू शकतो.
I am Guja. I am painting today.
Wow. Thank you. Can we move to Nehal Tiwari, please? Nehal is 22 years old, and what will you be doing for us today?
Hi, I am Nehal Tiwari. I have completed my graduation at St. Xavier's College. Now I am working at EY office at Mumbai, and I am going to do a stone painting of Dancing Girl on a liver stone.
Amazing. We can't wait to see it completed, Nehal. We move to Sahil Baghdadi now. Hi, Sahil. How are you? So tell me, what are you going to be doing for us today? A painting and Warli. That is so cool. I can't wait to see it completed. And all of this is your work? Isn't this amazing? I mean, look at the kind of work that Sahil can do, and you will see him doing some of it live for us today. Thanks, Sahil. Can we move to Vishnu? Hi. Hi, Vishnu.
Hi.
So, what are you going to do?
Yes. I paint a garden.
You're really happy, aren't you?
I am painting a garden.
Painting.
Wow.
That sounds good. Should we move to Parika Chaudhary? Hi, Parika. So tell me, what is that blank sheet you have in front of you? What are you going to be doing today? Oh.
Drawing flowers.
Okay. You want to start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. All the best. And Aradhya Jha, who is all of 6 years old. Hi.
I'm going to make a sandwich and lemonade.
You're going to make a sandwich and a painting.
Yes, we are going to make painting of coronavirus. We need to wash our hands, stay at home and social distance.
Yes, I will listen.
We are trying an earth.
Oh, yes. And these are very good instructions Aradhya has given us, people. Do make sure you follow everyone. Can we move to Rihanna Rai? Hi, Rihanna.
Hi, teacher.
You're looking so pretty, Rihanna.
Thank you, teacher.
Wow. I love your necklace. It's so pretty.
Come home.
You'll give it to me. You'll share it with me.
Yeah. Auntie,
Yes. What are you going to be doing today?
veg sandwich. Game.
Wow, I'm hungry. मुझे भूख लगी है.
I am painting.
All the best. And I can't wait to see कि आप क्या करते हो. Can we move to Priyankar Ganguly, please? Hey, Priyankar. Hi.
Hi.
You want to know a secret? I'm also Ganguly.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I miss Aditya?
Ganguly.
Oh, sorry, Aditya.
We'll take him later. We'll take him. You
Okay.
can
Hi,
continue.
Priyankar. I'm also Ganguly. So what are you going to be doing today?
Drawing.
You're drawing for us. What are you going to be drawing for us?
Yeah. Drawing is save us from coronavirus.
Wow. All the best.
Thank you.
Too scary, okay? Yes. Aditya, hi.
Hi,
Good morning. So what are you doing? Is that a mandala? Oh my God, that's so difficult to do. All the best, and we can't wait to see you.
Thank you.
Yes. So, yes, we have Raj here with us. Raj, you're looking, you're on mute. Yes, Raj.
Hi.
Hi. I love your chef's apron and I love your chef hat.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are looking so handsome. बताओ आप क्या कर रहे हो आज हमारे लिए? Okay. Hi, Julian. So Raj's camera, I think, froze. We will get back to Raj, who is looking so handsome, and Aradhya next. And we have Julian. That's okay. Hi, Joanne. Can you see me? Wow. Tell me, Joanne, what are you making?
She has just now she prepared this hummus as well as the watermelon juice.
Wow.
And now she's on to make the dosa. Her dosa is on the fire now.
Wow.
And meanwhile, during this lockdown, she's making also a kada. What we make, what we put. Joanne, what did you put now? What did you put? Methi. Okay. So we make this kada out of methi, then fennel, and cinnamon.
Amazing.
So this is an everyday thing for her, like, you know, for us to eat.
So Joanne is taking care of her whole family's health.
Yes, yes, yes.
How lovely. Joanne, will you come home and make this for me too?
Cinnamon.
Yes, Joanne, will you make this for all of us and keep everybody at FFA healthy?
Sure, thumbs up to auntie.
Yes, thank you so much,
Cinnamon,
darling. Yes. Hushrav next. Hi, Hushrav. Can you see us? Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
So tell me, what are you doing today?
I'm making a chocolate almonds brownie.
Wow. And is your mama going to send the brownie to all of us watching on FB, Facebook? I can smell the yumminess already. Hushraf, all the best. We'll come back to you.
Thank you.
Can we move to Rihanna, Rai, please? Bye, sweetie. Yes, Rihanna, we're back to you. Can you all see how focused she is, putting everything together? What are you doing, darling?
Sandwich.
And right now, what is all this you've got in front of you?
Diet. Cabbage.
Oh.
Caption tum.
Wow.
Girija, I think we have
Mayonnaise.
we have some
Okay.
left to introduce as well.
Yeah, no, it was back in the list. That's okay. So can we move to Bhavya? Okay, that's a very healthy sandwich there, though, Rihanna. And Bhavya, hi.
Hi, Lavanya.
How are you? What are you speaking today, Bhavya? I can see tomatoes. क्या बना रही है भव्या आज हमारे लिए?
मेथी राइस वाले पुलाव, गोभी आलू एंड वेजिटेबल रायता.
वाओ, इतना सारा आप बना रहे हो? Too much. Amazing. अब हम भव्या के पास लौटेंगे, तब तक हम रुद्र पे एक नजर डालते हैं. Hi, Rudra. Rudra, I can only see your T-shirt. आप थोड़ा bend करके कैमरा में देख लोगे? Yes.
रुद्रा, look, देखो, हाय बोलो.
Hi.
Hi.
तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you making?
I'm making nachos chaat. Nachos chaat.
What are you saying? Nachos chaat? Even I want to eat, man.
Yeah, it's yummy. It's very cheesy. Tell
So
It's
cool.
very cheesy. It's very cheesy and yummy. It's very cheesy and yummy. And I'm going to make chocolate milkshake also.
What a combination, Rudra. I'm coming over to your house to eat cheesy nachos.
Choco filled
And
milkshake.
while you're at that, let's check out what your friend Vishu has to do. Can we move to Vishu?
It's not there. Can we
Not,
move ahead?
not a problem. We'll go to Arnav. Arnav Karekar.
Arnav, say hi.
Hi, Arnav. How are you?
To make
How are you?
corn. Not to make
What are you? Arnav.
Makes corn. Makes corn. Carrot. Tomato. Apple.
Rudra, the camera doesn't want to move only from your cheesy nachos, man. Just see.
और इसको कट करें.
Your cheesy nachos, even the camera likes it so much. And we're waiting for Arnav Karekar. Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Arnav.
Arnav. Hi, Arnav. Loud voice, come on.
So what
Hello.
are you making, Arnav?
What are you making? Loud voice में सांगा, please. I'm making
Omelette. Wow, that is so cool. You know, I haven't eaten breakfast and now I'm hungry. I want to eat your omelette. Can I come over? Can I come to your house?
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much. Can you see how generous our babies are? Arnav Chavan. And while you're busy, we'll move to Arnav. Hi, Arnav.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, darling. You know, I
Ma'am,
want to say good morning to everybody.
Ma,
So what are you doing, Arnav, today?
I like cooking.
Really? Wow.
Make cold coffee today. Thank you.
Thank you for making cold coffee for us, darling. It's such a yummy thing in this heat. And you work at it, we'll come back to you. Can we move to
Yeah.
Sushanto? Hi, Sushanto. What are you up to? I'll also point at you there. There.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi. What are you doing?
I'm doing Gupta. I am 16 years old. I'm making torrent for you.
Thank you. I really need a Toran. I will make sure that you give it to me now.
But you love.
I love Torans. And while you're making your Toran, Sushanto, can we move to Lavanya Ashok Kumar, please? Hi, Lavanya.
Hi, Solle. Hi, Lavanya. Hi, Auntie Solle. Hi, Auntie.
Paravailla, enna venalum sollala.
Hi.
And she can call me what she wants. What is Lavanya doing today?
What are you doing, sir? Lavanya. Lavanya sticking, Solle. Sticking.
Oh, lovely.
Show, Auntie. Yeah.
Wow. Now this is so pretty. This is so lovely. And you did all of this so fast.
Yeah, she will stick it fast.
Amazing. Can we move to Jayesh Praveen Chaudhary while Lavanya is sticking her lovely
She's
flower?
done with her sandwich.
Yes. We are shifting to Rena. She's, yeah.
Fantastic.
Rena, these sandwiches are so pretty. Can
Thank you.
Yes, we have Jayesh with us.
Yes. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye, very good.
Amazing.
Motivation.
This is a Toran, Jayesh. It's such a beautiful and unique Toran. Cool, Jayesh.
Hi.
Hi. खूब सुंदर है. It's so beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है बेटा.
Thank you.
Do we move to Bryden now, or will Bryden? Okay.
So Bryden is doing a daily course of drying clothes on stage. As you can see,
Amazing.
2 stands already getting full. So what we try to do, we try to create obstacles while doing this course. These are the 2 buckets he has already emptied.
Wow.
The second department going on over here. Cooking. देखिए अपना भी काम हो जाता है. The kids have to household chores and try to be as independent as possible.
Amazing. So Bryden, I'm sending both my kids to you for training. All right. I have 2 boys and they're both coming to you to train on how to skate and how to do household chores and help your parents.
Always welcome.
Great. Can we move to Harshal while we...
Harshal needs to put his camera on, please, so that we can spotlight you.
Excuse me. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Can Julian start?
Yes, Julian can start. We'll come to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the parents, please let the children start their work, start their painting, their cooking, and just carry it on background. Thanks so much. Hi, Harshal. Anshal, how are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Good, darling. Thank you. What are you doing?
I am sitting.
Wow. You can start.
He'll be transferring balls from the pit to a bucket while skating.
Wow. Are those rollerblades? I mean, those Roller blades?
There are inline skates.
My, they're so difficult to do for everybody watching. You know, this is one of the toughest kind of skating to do. And see how beautifully Hansal is balancing himself. Amazing. Thank you, Hanchal, for showing us your absolutely awesome skills. Could we move to Shakti?
We are playing his video later, so we can go to the other.
Can we move to Shakti?
This video will be shown later on. So, okay. Yeah, so we will start with the second round so we can start watching what they are into. So we'll start with the second. Okay, so I'll start
with Rudra.
No, I think Arnav is first.
Let me just check. I've not checked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it in the dish.
Wow, what is Arnav doing?
Wow. What has Arnav made for us?
Hi, Kelatu Sanga. Arnav, you have made?
Hi, Kelatu. Omelette केला है.
मग इकडे हो. कॅमेऱ्यात बघा.
मला तर खूप भूक लागली आता तुझं ऑमलेट बघून. Isn't that amazing? Arnav has made an omelette so quickly for all of us.
Wait, thank you.
Thank you.
If you are finishing with your thing, please take a photograph of the child with the dish or the product and send it back to us.
So we have Arnav Chavan now for us. Hi, Arnav.
Hello.
Can you show me, is that your chocolate milkshake?
It is coffee. Cold
Oh, cold coffee. Oh my God.
coffee.
Lovely. How is it? Can you drink some for us and tell us how yummy it is?
Yes. No, I do think.
Okay. Is your mama there?
Yeah.
Yes, mama, can you taste this cold coffee and tell all of us how it is?
Can I taste or no?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very nice.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Thank you so much for doing this for us, Arnav. And now we have Rihanna who's waiting with her sandwich.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Rihanna.
Hi, teacher. She started with her painting now.
Oh.
Leaf painting and earbud painting.
Wow. What is that?
She'll be using a leaf and she'll be putting a paint on the leaf and then she'll be printing it on the sheet.
Awesome.
And also she'll be using the earbuds for the flowers.
Can we also have a look at the sandwiches that she's done?
Yeah, sure. Can you sandwich it?
This is so cute. I love the presentation with the smileys and everything. Good job, Rihanna. Good job. And now we have Raj Suraj Revankar. Hi, Raj. What are you making? What are you doing now? Can you tell us? Raj's audio is off, but as you can see, yes, Raj, what are you doing?
Onion uttappa.
Wow, I am so hungry. We've just had an omelette and now we've got an onion uttapam. See how perfect his dosa is, his uttapam is. Amazing. So while Raj is completing that, let's take a look at what Vishnu is up to. Hi, Vishnu. Have you completed already your painting? This is so beautiful. This is amazing, Vishnu. Good job done. And so quickly. Look at all the shading. I hope there's a lot of likes on Facebook and there's a lot of comments for his beautiful painting. And we can now move to Aditya Rao and see what Aditya is up to. Thank you, Vishnu. Wow. Aditya is doing a mandala for us, and let's see how far he's come. Just look at it there. Can you see the fineness of the design? This is so beautifully done.
He's drawing the mandala to the process.
Amazing, Aditya. Carry on, keep your focus going, and we'll move to Lavanya, see what she's doing. All the best. All the best. Hi, Lavanya. Mute layer killing. You're on mute.
Hi. Hi, Sala. Hi, Sala. Hello, hi, Sala. Not this one.
Hi.
Hi.
Painting kaata mudiyuma? You're sticking? Wow, I can see the work done in 20 minutes.
All kinds of seeds, ma'am.
Lovely.
Seeds. And the background is painted by her. She uses the crayons and then she paints over it. That's a backdrop she always does. Then over that she sticks.
So she's got her own style, and I can see she's waiting to get.
Yeah, she's got her own style. No one has ever done that. Even in her school, she's the only girl who does this.
Amazing. And now I can see she wants to get back to the painting. She's grabbing it because she wants to.
Yeah, she wants to stick some more.
Let her carry on, and we'll move to Jayesh to see what Jayesh is up to. Wow, Jayesh, this is so beautiful. Darshana and Babita, Fatima, don't you all want this? I mean, it's such a beautiful Toran.
Yes,
all want some.
Anytime.
Lovely. हमें दे दोगे ना, ये gift कर दोगे ना हमें? Yes, thank you, Vita. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
And we can now move to Rudra Puranik. See what he's doing. Hi, Rudra. क्या कर रहे हो आप? देखो रूद्र को बोलना पड़ा मम्मा को कि हम म्यूट पे हैं. Kids are so smart. Tell me, Rudra.
The best cook in the world.
Best cook in the world, I agree.
He's saying, I'm the chef. I'm the best cook.
I know. Looks like it. So what is where Rudra?
I don't know if the ingredients are visible, but Rudra will tell you what all he is putting. See? Okay, Rudra, shall we start with the onions? Yes. So put all the onions.
Girija, I would like to tell you that Rudra and I think even Joanne have won a cooking competition which happened online.
Wow.
So no wonder he says that I am the best chef.
I'm telling you, obviously, I don't think any of us have ever won any cooking competition.
Not me.
Definitely. Rudra, definitely the best cook in the world.
Now Rudra is putting. Tell what are you putting? Corn. Okay.
Very important.
And next will be, what do you want to put next? And one thing I just want to mention is tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes. Maximum cutting also he has done. He said I want to do it by myself.
Wow.
So except tomatoes, everything he has cut by himself. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes. Then what is next? Tomato.
Yes. While Rudra putting his ingredients together, can we move to Rudra Tendulkar?
And then what is last?
Carrot. Wow.
Carrot.
We'll come back to you, Rudra. Puranik, we'll come back to you. And now another Rudra Tendulkar. Hi, Siri.
Then what do we put?
I can see some lovely bright colors. What are you doing, Beta? What are you painting? Oh.
What is it, Rudra? What are you doing? Giraffe, yes. And who's this? Mommy and baby. Okay.
How sweet is that? Which paints are you using, Rudra?
Which means? Yellow. And what is it?
Who is this?
Acrylics. Okay.
Amazing.
Wait, stand there.
Oh.
So while you're finishing with acrylic, which I must tell you is very difficult, we can move to Parika. Hi, Parika. Parika,
What will you tell Jackie?
Parika. कैसे हो आप? क्या कर रहे हो आप अभी? क्या कर रही हो? कलर कर रहे हो? ओके, आपके फ्लावर्स इतने सुंदर हैं. वाओ, नो? थैंक यू. You're welcome, darling. अभी आप कलर करते रहो, हम लौटेंगे आपके पास थोड़े टाइम.
Hello, Julian is almost finished.
Okay, we will come there. So, can we move to Joanna then?
We have made sandwich and lemonade. Now I'm making a coronavirus drawing.
Let's quickly finish with
Aradhya, absolutely. Paya Aradhya will come back to you. That corona looks scary.
Yes, that always looks scary. That's why you can use some injection.
Yeah,
so that you can stay home and wash your hands.
Oh, so then if I do all this, it won't be scary anymore?
Yes, it will not be.
Okay, I will do it. Thank you for telling me that. Can we move on to Julian? Yes. थोड़ा आप कैमरा उस तरफ ले ले तो हमें खाना भी दिख जाएगा. Lovely. क्या बना रहा है वो हमारे लिए आज?
What you are making? Pawa, say loudly.
Making pawa.
Yes.
We can hear him. Don't worry. We can hear him clearly. That poha looks so delicious. और इतने केयरफुली आप इतने संभल कर डाल रहे हो. आई थिंक इट्स कमेंडेबल. ओके.
He's asking you to come to eat pawa.
How sweet. Yes, I love poha. I will come to eat poha. I'm sorry I couldn't hear very clearly.
And even, I'll make tea for you. Say.
I make tea for you.
Lovely. मुझे चाय बहुत पसंद है. Chai or poha is the best combination. And if all of you all agree, continue the lines. Yeah, no? And here,
Hansha has finished.
And we
Joanne, okay.
Yes.
Joanne, remove.
Yes, Joanne. Can we start for us?
So now Joanne is removing the kada.
Okay.
ફોટો પાડીને તને મોકલી દો પછી તને મોકલી દઈશ આ બંધ કર દો આપણે અનમ્યુટ થઈ ગયા હા.
So in the meantime, till she removes, I will just walk you through the menu what she had prepared. The welcome drink, which was watermelon juice with a dash of lime and ginger, a salad with sprouts and corn, and main course was dosa with hummus made of chickpeas and the kada. So now, as you can see, the watermelon juice is done. Her is already done. Dosas are done with the hummus, although remaining dosas are in the process what she is making right now.
Amazing.
And the kada is also just poured by her. So we'll be transferring it to the other glasses. So
And
it's
Brian,
almost like a...
and next 5 minutes, I'm reaching home.
Excellent.
Sure.
I know, really.
See, this is a new dosa what she is making right now. So you can see, like, no, right from the beginning.
Amazing. And she's just so smooth in the kitchen, so confident. It's lovely.
It is awesome, amazing, you know, to release the food which our children cook on their own.
Oh,
And trying to make the kids as independent as possible so that they are never a liability on anyone, you know.
I think that's such an important
That is how we
thing.
look at things.
And in so many ways, I feel our kids, in so many little ways, they learn this art of independence, the skill of independence, which even a lot of other kids, you know, with all the pampering and over-parenting that we do, don't have. We are so focused on teaching our children independence, and it's lovely to see Joanna in the kitchen. She's beautiful.
Yeah, exactly, you know, because see, we shouldn't, we should basically...
Sorry. We'll come back to you, Brian.
Yeah, we move to Hanchal now because he's waiting for us on his little skates. Yes.
So he has been skating for the past 30 minutes and has transferred many balls.
Good job, Anshal. Can you stop for a moment so that I can say hello to you and tell you what a good job you've done?
Yeah, let him reach. Just a second, he'll reach.
Hi, sweetie. I've never seen your face. I've only seen you spinning around on those skates.
Hello.
Hello.
You're skating.
You love skating? That smile says it all.
No, normal.
Normal.
I enjoy skating.
And so it's skating.
Wow. Big
Yeah, he-
flying kiss for you, darling. Where is Hansel? I wanted to give him a big hug.
Yeah, so
Mwah.
now,
There you go. Can we move
Yes.
on?
yeah, so you please send us a picture of his and you can leave because he's finished skating. Thank you so much.
So who do we move to in the order? Should we move to
Nehal, we haven't checked on her even once.
Yeah, we haven't checked on her in a bit.
Pushrav, Sahil.
Yeah, the last bunch. Yeah.
Can we leave now, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Nehal. Can you show us what you've done so far? Oh my God, that is beautiful. You know you're giving it to me, no? That is for me, no?
After me.
Oh, my darling, thank you. No, me first. Ha. Okay, so while you're finishing, putting the finishing touches for me, can we move to Hushrav and see what he's doing?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes, Hushrav. Is your brownie in the... Hi. So where are your brownies?
Yeah,
Where are your brownies?
waiting. It's cooling.
Wow, it's cooling. So in a few minutes, we'll be able to see your chocolate almond brownies.
Yes.
Awesome. So we'll come back to you. I want to see you with the brownies and I want Mama to eat all the brownies. And we'll move to Bhavya in the Sahil, maybe in the interim, while we wait for your brownies to cool. Hi Sahil, क्या कर रहे हो आप अभी?
Hello.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Lovely.
Awesome work, Sahil. Too good.
Two and such different styles, Sahil. They're such different. One Varli, one abstract. It's amazing work.
Oh, sweet.
Amazing. Fantastic. Thank you for sharing your art with us, Sahil. And we come back. Can we check on Bhavya?
Okay, I am ready. Thank you.
Hi, Bhavya.
I have made food. I have made methi rice gopi. I have made methi rice wale pulav और gopi aloo और vegetable raita.
Wow. Amazing.
I love the presentation also.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Bhavya can cook all the meals.
Bhavya can cook all the meals.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome,
Yeah.
Bhavya. Amazing.
You are that confidence.
Bhavya, and we are reaching soon to your house.
I
to
have
eat
made
your
vegetable salad.
Wow.
Amazing.
We
Bhavya,
are all coming.
Bhavya, give me a high five quickly. Give me a high five. Yeah, baby. Superb. Good girl. Let's move to Nehal.
Shushanto Sengupta.
Sushanto next. Okay, Sushanto, please.
Shushanto.
Hi, Sushanto.
I made one completed.
Wow.
Wow.
Liked it?
I loved it. I love the color.
Which other side it is I'm making?
I like that. It is too cool. I also will wear it on my neck only.
How I like it?
I love it. And we move to Rihanna. Rihanna, this is lovely. Rihanna's made a sandwich for us today and done a earbud and leaf painting. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you.
Amazing. And I must tell you, before this, Rihanna has also done a program for her school. So she's done all of this on a Sunday morning by 12 when we would have been sitting around just in our pajamas being lazy. She is something. Good job, Rihanna. Can we move to Shakti now?
I will play his video.
Yes, please. That works.
Yeah.
This is something. Unbelievable. Can everyone see how beautifully the finishing is? And how useful.
I am expert drilling in drilling. Angles. These are aluminum angles. Very. I drilled all these holes.
Amazing.
Exactly.
Amazing.
How confident
Awesome.
that that looks so dangerous and so safely. I mean, I would have died of fright, I think. And also, you know, has anybody seen the gap between the holes was so perfect? It was just, everything was just so perfect in its precision. Fantastic. Hi, Rudra. We are back to you. Show me what you've done. Oh, I love it.
So beautiful. Awesome.
Okay, you know, now I want to see Mama.
Firing of his colors right now.
I want to see Mama Rudra and Baby Rudra also having a hug like these two giraffes. Give each other a hug because this was beautifully done.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so sweet. Good job, Rudra. And we can...
Rudra Puranik is done.
Yes, Rudra Puranik is done. Who else do we have to move to? Thank you, darling. And we've got Rudra Puranik. Can I see?
Ma'am, is it visible? Yeah.
Yes. So can you pull the plate a little back towards Rudra? Oh,
I think he will hold it in his hand.
Amazing.
This is the nachos chaat with mayonnaise and sauce. I've taken the pictures, ma'am. I'll send it to you.
Rudra, can you eat one for us and we can then imagine that hum bhi kha rahe hain?
I know, seriously. This is increasing my hunger.
I know, I'm ordering.
And one thing, yeah, we had done this in the cooking competition also. It's really yummy, you know. I mean, I'm sure my elder one is waiting for us to finish. He's going to relish on this.
So each one of you all can take a bite and show us. We'll imagine we are eating.
And you must send us the recipes, so then we'll also make, or we'll just get Rudra home.
Yeah. And the chocolate milkshake, maybe Rudra can. Rudra, you want to decorate with more chocolate sauce? Or is it good?
Chocolate sauce again. So yum. Wow.
So it's with a dash of chocolate sauce. I don't have to tell, it's really very yummy. The chocolate sauce is Rudra's favorite. So that's something that he likes and his biggest motivation, I think, for cooking.
Keep cooking, Rudra. Keep making lovely stuff, because really the way to everybody's hearts is through their tummies. Ask Mama to explain to you what that means. World's greatest.
And one thing to mention, if your ma'am is the operation of the mixer, the grinder, everything he has done himself. I mean, I have taught him in the lockdown period, but after that he's doing everything, even watermelon juice, all the milkshakes, everything he's doing on his own. I don't have to even operate it. So now he's getting used to it. Even the cutting part, he's quite good. He's quite...
But I must tell you, I'm enjoying watching him drink
Think that. I know, look at that. I can
more than listening to you. I mean,
slur sound also.
It's over.
Okay, I think we are going to Priyankar. We are going to Priyankar because he's also finished, I believe. Are you finished? Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Okay, he's still finishing. Continue.
Parika is done.
Thank you. Parika, can we move to Parika? I saw a message, she's done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sweetie pie. Hi, Parika.
Hi.
You done?
Yes.
Super. Can you hold the painting, the drawing up like this so I can see it properly? Awesome. Now you can put it down so I can see your face also. It is very pretty, Parika. I love the shading. What colors have you used in the shading of the sky?
Color pencil.
Color pencil. कौन से colors आप colors अपने use किए sky? Camlin के. Oh, yes. Very nice. इतना सुंदर बनाया है. Thank you, sweetie.
Right, ma'am. Hushrav is done.
Oh,
so
wow.
Yummy. Hushrav.
A little behind. Oh, wow.
Perfect. Great.
Babis, what is written over there? We can't see. That pamphlet show us. It looks so professional.
I know.
Really?
Chocolate almond brownies.
Wow.
One, Mushra, please.
You have my address, right, Babis? You have my address.
Yeah, most welcome.
Bushra, all these others are no old aunties. You know them for too long. I'm the new auntie in your life.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Brownies.
Now we're going to be fighting over all this. Babita, you have to be the referee because I think we all are going to be fighting over this now.
Totally.
No, I'm part of the fight, no?
Oh, is it? I thought you are refereeing.
Good job, Bushra. Fantastic job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chef's hat and the apron. You're looking like a very handsome young chef. I must tell you that.
Babis took a nice picture, okay? A close-up of those brownies and with Mushra also. He's looking so good.
Okay.
Looking
Thank
lovely.
you. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Siri.
All those parents who have finished with the activity, I think you can leave the meeting and take pictures and do send it to us.
Absolutely.
Bryden is done.
Yeah, Pushrav is also done.
Let's go to Bryden. He's done.
Hi, Bryden.
Hello. So now Bryden is completely done. So his, as you can see, balti puri khali ho gayi hai. So anyone having any contract for drying clothes, you can always contact us.
Done. I have a contract for wanting to give Bryden a big hug because that's what he really deserves. Can I see his face for a moment? Can we speak to him for a moment?
Both the kids are done.
Awesome.
And look at the way they're resting. All work done.
Hi, Bryden.
All chilled out.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Tired or proud?
Thumbs up, Brian. Bryden, sorry. Thumbs up.
I think they're just tired now.
I know, exhausted.
Mama, Papa, let them relax all afternoon.
And y'all are going to do the work now.
Yes, bus now. All right. So that they're done. Anybody else? I love the torans.
Jayesh Chaudhary. Let's check on him. Oh, Aradhya, are you done, beta? Has he finished, Aradhya?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Oh, wow. Let's finish.
Excuse me.
Shushanto has also finished. Okay, we'll come to you, Shushanto.
Oh, wow.
Look, I've made so that it's in their math work and stay at home. And mine is done. And I've made
Wonderful. I love that smiley on the sandwich. Wow.
these two things
Awesome.
like painting and drawing and painting. Sorry, cooking and drawing and painting.
Excellent, excellent.
Thank you.
Yes, that is lovely. I'm so sorry, beta. I have to go. This is lovely. Wow. I like the smiley and the two olive eyes. They're so cute. Yes.
He is super cute.
He is totally super cute. Thank you.
I love your smile. Bless you. Okay, next, Sushanto is done and he's waiting.
Yes. Hi, Sushanto. I love a smile. You know, the Toran is as cute as your smile.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
And so are we.
I'm so happy to such beautiful torrents, Sushanto.
Yeah, totally. It's beautiful, Vita.
Yes.
It's lovely. And you know, it matches both your mama and your clothes today. You all have color coordinated everything so beautifully. And everything is looking lovely. Your blue t-shirt, the silver and blue Toran.
Yes.
Yes, the Toran is especially blue.
And your smile, more than anything. Bye. Big smile. I love it.
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay. Beautiful. Thank you,
Just check on Aditya Rao.
Anybody else? Aditya Rao.
Wow.
This is lovely.
Oh, wow, Aditya.
Too good.
You finished it so fast.
Yeah.
I do mandalas, you know, and I know how time consuming it is and how long it takes with the intricate work, and you finish so fast.
And the visualization of it, it's so difficult.
Yeah.
You know, I tried once and that was the end only. Beautiful job.
Yes,
Very
lovely.
good, Aditya. Very good.
I didn't even try looking at the intrinsic thing. I was like, no, not my cup of tea. Yeah, I didn't even try.
Okay.
Very
Thank you for the opportunity. Sit down.
Thank you.
Lavanya, are you done? Lavanya, have you finished? Okay.
Can I see? Oh, wow. This is lovely, Lavanya. You're on mute. You're on mute. Mute like Kelinga. Lovely.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very lovely. And I love how even Lavanya, her mom and the painting are all color-coded.
Color-coded. Absolutely.
Beautiful. The whole, this photograph, no? You must have a photograph of this shot here. It's lovely. Thank you so much.
Let's check on Jayesh Chaudhary.
Yeah.
Okay, he's finished, right?
Yes, Jayesh is
It's like
finished.
he is done.
Jayesh finished.
Okay, so Raj Revankar.
Ah, the
Wow, I love the plating with that chutney in that spoon and the chutney in the bowl and the uttapam. It's so lovely.
Babita, don't you think this is a complete atyachar on us?
I know, yeah.
अरे पर मुझे मेरे ऊपर तो सबसे ज्यादा
हाँ यार तेरे तो wow lovely Raj.
Amazing Raj, this is lovely.
Raj, you're awesome.
Hi.
Awesome, beta.
Hi, Uttapa.
I made uttapam.
So many Uttapa.
Wow, wow. Okay, there's enough for all of us.
Yes, so we are all coming now. We all aunties are coming there. So many uttapam.
So good with that chef and then
I know, yeah.
Amazing.
And the professional pure.
Really? Bye, Aradhya. Yes. खूप चांगलं केलंय Raj. And
let's check on Nehal.
Don't worry, it's okay. Don't worry.
Nehal, don't worry. Aram se, don't worry. Take your
This
time.
is not a competition. We'll wait for you.
Priyanka.
I think Jayesh.
So many Uttapa.
So many uttapas. Unbelievable. Amazing.
For you all.
For you all.
Yeah, okay.
All you all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Now we can leave.
Look at that concentration on Priyanka's. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Nehal, this is so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Unbelievable.
So beautiful.
I love it. Love it.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Very
Just
lovely.
like you. Just
Beautiful,
like you.
Nehal. Beautiful.
Beautifully done. Lovely. So proud of you. What's next now? Should we ask Priyankar to show us what he's doing? So should we pull up Priyankar and see what he's been up to? I can see Priyankar holding his, yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God, this is
lovely.
Wow. I love the expression on Planet Earth's eyes. I'm sure Daltima is feeling like this only.
Yeah, it looks like me. tired sitting
Darshana,
home.
not Darshana Ma, I said Bharti Ma. Bharti Ma.
No, but then the face expressions is like me. I'm sick and tired sitting at
Perfect,
home.
man. Really, this is beautiful.
Wonderful work, Priyanka.
I love the expression on the coronavirus's face and Earth's face. It's
Caption of this picture is Save Earth from Coronavirus.
Yes.
we all should.
And I
Wear
think
a mask.
Priyanka, just also remove a picture of this simply and send it to even send us a picture just of your picture also, along with the picture with you and just this. This is so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely.
Thank you,
You drew as well as you sing. You sing so beautifully, and so is your drawing.
So now I want to hear you sing next time. Okay?
Okay.
Bye, sweetie. All the best.
Bye.
Yes. I think we're done. Babita, do you want to?
Babita, over to you again. I
over to
think
you.
it's time to say bye to everyone. I think all of us are done.
Ah, yes. What a wonderful 1 hour it's been. I mean, like the kind of talents that we have seen, the food, oh my God, such yummy, yummy food, and what wonderful presentations from each of them. And the artwork, I mean, each so beautiful, each so wonderful. It's been such a wonderful experience watching all of you. Thank you to all the children and the young adults who participated today. Thank you, parents, for such an enthusiastic response. I mean, it was such a wonderful Sunday morning, so well spent. Isn't it, Girja? I mean, such
Absolutely.
a beautiful morning. I mean, like, of course, we have all gotten hungrier now watching all the food that was made. But it was a feast to the eyes watching all the artwork also. So happy that all of you could join us today and wonderful. And let's all, the panelists, give a round of applause for all the children and the adults who put up such a wonderful show for us today. Amazing work, guys.
Amazing. Every one of you was absolutely
Each of you
amazing.
is a gem. Each of you is a gem.
Thank
Too
you
good.
so much.
Yes, Nehal. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
bringing that
sweetie.
beautiful painting to life for us. Thank you so much.
And every one of them, nobody forgot to say good morning, hello.
Yes,
I think it's a lesson to all of us because when we are stressed, our good manners go for a toss. But these kids never forget to say good morning, hello, and it was so lovely to have
Perfect with their manners too, right? I think now we can then close the session now that we have seen all of them and finished all their work. So thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today. And it's,
Thank you all. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed watching this today morning. Bye-bye. From all of us
Bye.
at Code for Autism.
Bye.